A Hawks bomb was found this morning at Nambolthongkha in Bishnupur district, as per a source. Passers-by noticed an unidentified suspicious-looking cardboard box, which later turned out to be dumped garbage on investigation by cops. A team of Imphalese commando apprehended 2 persons along with 370 litres of local liquor during a routine frisking and checking conducted at Chekon crossing in Imphal last night. They were later handed over to Excise Department Imphal along with the seized items for further legal actions. In its continuous effort to guide the youth of the nation to a better path, Mantri Pukri Battalion of 9th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGAR South organized an awareness program on Know Your Armed Forces at Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya Yaralpat yesterday. A portion of the under-construction road at Golpara town of Lower Assam was washed away at the slightest rainfall yesterday. The damage was caused specially because there was no proper drainage system at the 450-meter length road and water created huge pressure from one direction. Arunachal Pradesh was declared as the best emerging destination at the Lonely Planet Travel Awards 2019. Arunachal Tourism's official Twitter stated that Arunachal Pradesh declared winner of Best Emerging Indian Destination at the Lonely Planet Travel Awards 2019. Earlier, in 2013, Arunachal Pradesh was put on Global Tourism Radar after Lonely Planet Magazine India Travel Awards adjudged it as one of the winners. A day after retired Indian Navy officials contradicted Prime Minister Narendra Modi's allegation that former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi had used the naval warship INS Virat as his personal taxi, former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram today hit out at Mr. Modi. Another lie of Mr. Narendra Modi blown away. Top officers of Navy have testified that Mr. Rajiv Gandhi was on an official visit to INS Virat, Mr. Chidambaram tweeted. A 5-judge bench led by Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi will convene today the hearing of Ayodhya title dispute appeals, even as an expert court-appointed mediation committee has sent its interim report. The bench had sent the Ayodhya dispute for mediation on March 8 in a bid to heal minds and hearts. After 5 rounds of voting for Lok Sabha, BJP President Amit Shah expressed confidence that the government, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, would be re-elected with an increased majority. He stated this during an interview in Madhya Pradesh. A top militant commander of Islamic State Jammu and Kashmir ISJK, an IS-inspired module, was killed today by security forces in a brief encounter in South Kashmir district of Shopian. The authorities have snapped mobile internet service as precautionary measure to prevent rumors. The 3 new missiles North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has tested over the past week are eerily familiar to military experts. They look just like a controversial and widely copied missiles the Russian military has deployed to Syria and has been actively trying to sell abroad for years. Kim personally supervised the launch of the first missile from the country's east coast on Saturday and 2 more from the west yesterday. Despite years of corruption allegations, a sluggish economy and sustained electricity blackout, South Africa's ruling African National Congress looks set to win a substantial majority in a critical national election. When 3/4 of the vote counted, the ANC shows a strong lead with just over 57% of the national vote, according to partial results released by the country's Electoral Commission.